Croeso Ceredigion, welcome to Ceredigion, the land of Ceredig the king. We're in Aberystwyth, which was one of the principal towns of Ceredigion and home to Ceredigion County Museum. Like most museums, we've faced some pretty significant challenges recently. We've seen our visitor numbers diminish as the high street struggles. We've had a year-on-year cuts in our budget. We knew from our research that of all the people who walked down our street, only 11% actually noticed that we were there because our visibility and our access was so poor. We went to the Heritage Lottery Fund and other trusts and foundations and raised £1.3 million, which helped us to create a new cafe, a new shop, to amalgamate with the Tourist Information Centre, which was another service that was under threat. And we had a whole raft of community engagement activities that enabled everybody to put a thumbprint on the museum and really feel ownership of it. And this has been absolutely transformational for our museum. We went from visitor figures of 25,000 to 110,000. We've increased our volunteer numbers from 10 to over 50, but most importantly to me, we've located ourselves right in the heart of the community. This is Ceredigion Museum, and it was a venue opened in 1905 as a variety theatre. They had operas, plays, comedies, religious services and eisteddfods, political meetings. The Colosseum catered for the whole community, and we're picking up that torch.
There's so much going on here, different exhibitions, different community events, gigs. It's now a dynamic, changing place.
Yeah, I love coming to the museum. It's such a great space and there's always lots of different activities going on, and particularly the sheep exhibition that I found really inspiring.
The sheep exhibition and the symposium as well, it's had a really positive impact on the community through providing an opportunity for conversation to happen and not in a polarised way. It's brought people together.
Symposium was such a great event for me, being a farmer's daughter, because I heard a lot of people's voices that work on the land, but they don't necessarily come into contact with each other. So it was just a great space to bring people together and to share people's views.
The People's Practice events here have brought the museum into the forefront of community debate. It's no longer about the past, it's about the present and the future, and the vitally important community debates that we all need to have around climate change. Well, this museum is now in the forefront of that debate locally. I used to come here once or twice a year maybe. I now come here every week or two. And that's the difference it's made for me.
We've got big plans for our future and we've got the energy and vision to deliver it. And we're still acting locally but thinking globally.